Hi? It's on the other side. Dito, sa kabila. Yan. You can reach it? Okay. Okay, I will carry you, okay?
Yeah.
Carry, yeah. How can I carry you? Okay. Gusto niya daw siya maglagay. Okay. Okay, that's enough. You're heavy. Okay. Alright, okay.
One more.
Oh, dali. Oh, it's heavy. Maybe we can wait for Mama so she can do it.
This one.
Huh? It's hard. We're gonna wait for Mama, huh?
This one. This one.
Mm.
And do it.
Siya daw ang kukuha nun, guys. Teka lang, ha? Hurry, you're heavy. Okay, you have 3 balls already. Oh, get your 3 balls. And put it in the chair. Lagay mo muna doon, Tutsi. Doon sa chair, yan. 1. You count. 1. 1. And then the other one. 2. Say 2. Okay, 2. And then the other one here. This one. You have. Okay. Here, Tutsi. Tutsi, you get this muna. Put it there. Oh, and then you count your ball, ha? Count the ball. How many ball you have? Okay, how many ball you have?
2, 3,
1.
down.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you put it also again in the chair. Put it again in the chair and then count. Count.
1,
Oh, next 2.
up,
Oh, teka muna. No. Just count it first. Oh, 2. Oh, iyan. Pang ilan yan?
good.
Oh, careful ha. You need to be careful. Tutsi. Slowly. Gusto niya po umakyat. Careful ha. You just need to sit down. Sit down lang yan. And then count the ball. Count the ball that you have. Okay, 1.
Me.
Oh, ikaw
Me.
muna. Oh, ikaw muna. You go first.
1, down.
1. Dali, you count. 1. You count.
2,
Oh, and then?
3,
Yay! 3 balls! Yun daw, may 3 balls daw siya, guys. So, we're gonna wait for her mama. Nandun po sila, ayun, nakita yung sasakyan namin. Ayun. Doon sa malapit kay Dada. She's feeding the baby now. While she's feeding the baby, we're taking a rest for a while here with Tuti. Hi, Tuti. Say hello.
hi.
Dito, tingin ka kay Mimi. Dito. Here. On my side, Tuti. Here. Say hello. Oh, careful ha, careful. Oop, yeah.
Carry.
Oh, Tutsi, don't do that. Ay, naku, may sipon ka, baby. Wait. Sandali lang po. Ano yung sipon ng baby ko? Malamig kasi eh. Kaya kailangan may sipon siya. Tingnan ko nga. Can I see your nose?
Up.
Careful ha, Tutsi. Don't up and down, ha?
Down.
Halika. We need to wait for Mama first, ha? But for now, we hold this like that. Also, the viewers will see Dada and Dee playing. Okay, like this. Can you hold this? Like that?
Back.
Kaya mo?
That's.
You wanna see Mama? Let's go to Mama.
No.
No? Okay. You want to play tennis like that? Like Dada and Didi?
No.
Why? Why no? It's nice.
No.
Why no? Don't say wait, ha? Don't go down, ha? Just wait for Mimi, okay? Okay? Because I want to vlog you. Say hello. Hi. Kiss. Love you all. Sabi mo. Love you all.
Oh.
Love you.
Love you.
Oh.
Down.
Oh, no. No, don't go down. We're gonna wait for Mama.
Down.
Okay, but wait. Talaga naman tong apo ko. Okay. What's that? Okay, let's go there. Punta daw kami doon. The other side. Here? No, it's dirty. Yeah, maybe we can go with Mama. Ay, no, don't go there. It's dirty, anak. It's nasty. Let's go.
Here.
Huh? No, it's not allowed to enter that way. No, Tutsi, they will get mad on us. Yeah.
Here.
Huh? See?
Mommy. Mimi.
Oh, careful, ha? You need to be careful, but don't go up there, ha? Oh, just walk around. Let's see what is in the other side. Okay, ha? Just walk, okay? Walk only and don't touch anything, okay? Okay, don't touch anything to the boot kasi nag-inspection po siya dito, guys, kung ano yung meron. Yeah, don't touch. Don't touch. The owner will get mad.
Hold.
Don't hold. It will go. Tutsi. It will go like that. Oh, it's fast. Katakot. Oh, you go on the other way. Let us check what is in there. There, Tutsi, on the other way. Let's go. Let's go, Ala. Walk around. Oh, no. Don't get inside. There's a monster inside. So, yeah, Tuti, on the other way, on that way. You can walk. Try to walk and see.
Monster.
Yeah, there's a monster.
Those.
Close. No. Don't touch that. The monster will came out. Promise.
Open.
Yeah, it's open. It's a little bit open. Ito daw po, oh, yan. Gusto niya isarado yan.
Monster.
Oo, there's a monster. Are you sure there's a monster?
Hi.
Hi. Oo. Hi. Tinitingnan niya.
Me.
Hi. Bye, monster. Okay, let's go and walk on the other side.
Monster.
Oo.
Yeah, up.
Ay, no. Don't go up, ha? Don't go up. The children's not supposed to go up there. Okay, you go on the other side. Just walk. Keep on walking.
Monster.
Yeah, there's a monster there. Let's keep on walking. Let's see.
Here. Ball. Tennis.
There's a tennis ball. Oh, no, don't get that. It's hard. Maybe you can get the other one. There, oh, Tutsi. There's a ball. You get the ball over there. See that? Okay. And then put outside, okay?
This one.
Huh? No. It's hard for you to get the ball. Just get the ball there, okay? Gusto po niyang kunin yung mga ball. No, don't go up.
Yeah.
You are not supposed to go up. Just get the 2 balls there and then we go outside. Oh, Diyos ko, hirap na po ako dito kaka-English. Oh, sige, let's go and go, put the ball there. Okay?
Here.
No. On the
Up.
No. Don't go up, huh?
Here.
This is the chair of the monster. That's the monster.
Monster.
Oh.
Sit.
So no, you are not supposed to sit there.
Monster.
Oo. Sige, you call the monster.
Monsters. Here.
Oo.
Sit.
Oo.
Sit.
Oh, sige. You call him louder.
Hurt.
No, it's not hurt. It's a monster. Teka.
Monsters.
Oh, may sipon ka.
Monsters. Here.
Come on, let's call them. Oh, let's call the monster.
Open.
Oo.
Open.
Call him, ha? But don't touch the door, okay?
Open.
Oo. Sige, you call him na. Call him.
Open. Open.
Oh, you call him.
Open.
Yeah, because the monster is in there.
Monsters.
Oo.
Here.
Oo. Gusto niya pong paupuin yung monster dun sa upuan.
Yeah.
Oo.
Tutti.
No, not Tutti. That's for the monster. That's the chair of the monster. Remember? So you're not supposed to sit there. Oh no! Don't
Push.
Oh, don't push it.
Here.
No. Don't push the chair. That's for the monster. Exclusive for the monster only. Oh, you get the other ball there. So you can give it to monster later, okay? Just leave the ball here. Tootsie, leave the other ball and leave the ball here and then get the other one. Oh, you get the other one there. Oh, you see the ball? Okay.
Monsters.
Oh, that's for the monster. Oo.
Monsters.
Diyos ko, nakakaloka. Nakakaloka pala pagka dollar yung apo mo. Don't hold that, Tootsie. You hold a lot of things, ha? Yeah, that's also for the monster. You get the ball of the monster there. Oh, see? Oh, what's that? What's that noise? Oh, dali, come on, Tootsie. Put the ball in the red chair. And then the other one, Tootsie, there's more. You see the 2 ball there? Look, Tootsie, hit there. That's the ball of the monster too. You get the ball there. No, the other one. You see that? Near the wall, ayun o. Yan. Sige, kunin mo na. Get it. You get the 2 ball of the monster. We will give that later.
Okay.
Opo. And then
Red.
oo. And then call the monster and then monster, the ball is ready. I get your 4 balls. Sabihin mo, dali. You count na. Count mo na yung ball ng monster. Ilan? 1. Oh, 1. Oh, so you count.
1.
Oh, keep on counting. Hindi mo naman kinount eh. Oh, sige, count mo para tawagin na natin yung monster. Ipabibigay natin. Oh, you count it again.
Sit.
No, don't sit that. That's for the monster. That's the chair of the monster. Oh, ilagay mo na yung mga ball doon. Then count the ball of the monster so we can give all the balls. No, Tootsie, if you want to sit, we can sit over there. You see that? The bench? The bench outside. Okay. Doon tayo uupo, ha? Kung saan po umuupo, eh. Oo. Oh, careful, ha? Hold tight. Okay? Okay. We need to sit down and then so that we can see Dada and the playing. You see that? Oh, look. Sabi mo, hi guys. Sabi mo, hi guys.
Guys.
I just want to show you how Dada and the playing tennis.
Okay.
Ang hirap.
Mama.
Mama is there. She's feeding the baby. You see Mama? There, oh. In our car here.
Monsters.
You
Monsters.
see,
Monsters.
the monster is sleeping. Don't bother the monster, okay?
Yes.
You want to see the monster?
Yeah.
Huh? What will you say for the monster?
Then
Huh?
open.
Ano sasabihin mo sa monster?
Open.
Open what?
Door.
Open the door and then what?
Door.
Oh, and then what?
Door.
Huh?
Door.
You want to open the door?
Yes.
What if you see the monster? What will you do? Huh? What?
Here, one.
What will you say for the monster? What will you say?
Whoa. Big.
Huh? What's that? What's that? Bird? Where's the bird? I cannot see any bird.
One.
Okay, you go there.
There.
Gusto daw niya po ulit pumunta dito. Ayan, dito na naman sa kabila. Talaga itong batang patuta na to. Oh, careful ha. Ayan, sit. Gusto daw niya umupo na naman. So we can see.
Bench.
bench. Oh, again, Tutsi, you always sit and down and up, down and up.
There.
There na naman.
One.
Okay, careful ha. You need to be careful, Tutsi. Ayan, doon na naman daw po lilipat. Okay, wait. Wait for Mimi, ha? Ayan naman po. Oh, careful. Ang hirap pong mag-vlog while taking care of Tutti Put, yung aming beauty queen. Okay. Are you okay now?
Down.
Na naman, down again. Naku po naman, Diyos ko Lord, talaga naman. Mauubusan ako dito ng energy. Tutsi, ang lamig na ang kamay mo. Your hands is very cold.
Tape.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
Tape.
tape. Naku, don't touch that. It's dirty. Kung ano-ano po nakikita nito, talaga yung mata nito may vision na 2020. Don't hold that. You touch everything, Tutsi. And it's dirty.
Here.
Oh, again, wait for Mimi. Wait for Mimi.
Mimi.
Oo, teka, ayusin muna natin sa lamin mo. Okay, let's go. Where are you going?
This one.
It's... What is that? Tarpaulin. Sabi mo, tarpaulin. Basahin mo nga. You read it na. Read it. Sabi mo, tennis.
Tennis.
Team.
Team.
Headquarters.
Title.
Okay, let's go.
Title.
Oh, headquarters. Oh, let's go. Mama is there na. Ayun, no, kinuha na siya ni Dada. Let's go.
Mama.
Oh, let's go.
Mommy.
Oh, Mommy is there. They will come here soon. Malco! Hi! Atote, tawag ka ni Didi. Let's go. Give the ball to Didi. You get one.
Mommy.
Oh. Ayun, oh. Okay.
No.
Ayun si Mami. Oh, kinukuha na ni Dada. See, oh.
Open.
Yeah.
Open.
Yeah.
Door.
Oh, ayun, dali. Oh, Tutsi, oh. Tutsi, oh, kinukuha. Ayun na, dali. Ayun na, ball. Dali. Ayun, dali. Hurry, Tutsi, hurry. Oh my God, ayun na yung ball. Oh, dali, get the ball. Look. Oh, see, dali, get the ball. And then give it to D. Throw it to D. Harder, ha? Oh, yan, pinapagod na naman po ng lolo niya. Ayan po, pinapagod siya. Oh, more! Harder, Tutsi, harder. Ata, this one. Okay, this one. Throw it harder, ha, Tutsi. Malakas. Lakas. Hard. More. Oh. Oh, yung the other one there. You get the other ball there. Tutsi. Yun yung ball nyo, Malco. Ayun o, Malco, yun. Malco, yun o. Natatandaan ko. Yeah. Give the other one. Tuti, ayun pa. Ayun. Tuti, oh. Oh, dali. Ayan. Tuti. Bug. Oo. Oh, careful ha. Don't hit your head. Oo, don't bump your head pala. One. Give it to the. Oh, ayan pa, Malco. Sige. This one. That one. Didi, call D. Hard. Lakasan mo. Malco, tinatawag ka. Malco, kanina naputol. Na-save naman yon. Kasi Kasi nag-alarm eh. Pag nag-alarm tong cellphone nila na.
One.
Oh, get the other, get
Oo.
the other one then.
Oh, get the other two and then we will Tootsie will put it there. Oh, good. Oh, we'll put it there. Okay. You want to put it there? Okay.
Me. There.
Okay, carry. You want me to carry you?
Yes.
Okay. What will you say? Please?
This.
Okay. Aha, ang hirap naman ito. Lalagay po niyo dyan.
Here.
Okay, come on. Her. No, it's hard. Come on, Tootsie. Tootsie, come on. It's hard.
Up.
No more, Tootsie. Ha? It's hard. Put the ball. Hurry. And then get the other one. Oh.
Ano?
Oh, no. Nalaglag po, guys.
Up. Here. Here.
Okay, no, don't touch that. It's hard, it's sharp. Tootsie. It's hard. Yeah. Yeah, maybe we can wait for the and they will carry you, huh?
Me.
Oh,
No.
me, no, because
Heavy.
yeah, you're too heavy. Thank you, baby. You're so nice. So we're gonna wait for the after their game. We're gonna put all the ball. So you get the other ball so we can put it there later, huh? Get the other ball. You put the ball here muna. Yan. And then the other one. You get the other two.
Up.
Wait, you get the other two and we put it there after the game of the. Ay, mahirap. Hinihingal ako. Hinihingal pa ako. Kaya the other one, ha? And then after the game, you will put it there, ha? Tootsie, ha? Oo, later with the. Okay. Get the other one. The other one, Tootsie. There. Yan. Good job. And then, we're gonna wait for the you sit here first.
First.
And then, upo daw po muna siya. Hard, it's hard because it's too high for you. And then you will call the, dali, tawagin mo na si D.
D.
Lakasan mo, hindi kanya
D.
na. Hurry,
D.
hurry, sabi mo, hurry.
Hurry.
I'm waiting for you,
Waiting.
for you.
No.
We're gonna return all the balls there. Sabi mo.
There.
Oo. We'll return all the balls. Oh, excuse me. So, tawagin mo na si D.
D.
Lakasan mo, hindi kanya maririnig eh. Oh, wait. We're gonna wait.
Down.
Oo. No. We're
Down.
gonna wait for a sec.
Down.
Wait for a sec, Tootsie. They are almost done. They are almost done, Tootsie. We're gonna wait for them, okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Down.
Yeah, wait for a sec. Wait for a sec, Tootsie Put. Ayun na sila. Oh.
Now.
Oh, one more daw. Oh, one more. Where are you going? We're gonna wait for Dada and D to finish the game. And then you will return all the balls. Oh, did you see the monster? Are you sure?
Hi.
Can we say hi to the monster?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, careful. Walk slowly, Tootsie, like that. Okay, you go there. But make sure that don't make any noise, ha? Okay, you go there. And then we can see if the monster is awake. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, we'll see.
Wait.
Yeah, careful, slowly. Shh, don't.
Wait.
Wait.
Up.
Nagnanap daw po yung monster. He's napping, Tootsie. He's taking a nap.
No.
No? Do you think he's awake?
Open.
Do you think he's awake, Tootsie?
Wait.
Are you sure?
Open.
Are you sure?
Open.
Oh, can you knock at the door and then, hey monster, are you awake? Dali. Knock. Oh. Oh. Uy. Oh my God. Oh,
Me. Not.
monster. Monster, are you awake? Ikaw naman, you go. Do it. Oh. Come here. Maybe they are sleeping. Come here. Let's go. Oh. Bye, monster. Say bye-bye.
Knocking.
No, don't knock because maybe he's sleeping. The monster is still sleeping. Let's go some other time, okay?
Run.
Oo, some other time. O, magbabay ka muna sa monster.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Sabi mo, see you.
Knock.
Teka muna, sabi mo muna, see you.
See you.
Take care.
Take care.
Okay, let's go.
Sit.
Oh, no, that's the chair of the monster, remember? Yeah, we only allowed to sit, dun sa bench. Oh.
Wait.
Wait for the monster. Come here. O, magbabay ka na muna sa vlog mo.
This side.
Yeah, oo. O, dyan ka, dali. O, harap ka kay Mimi. Sabi mo, bye guys. Dali na. Magbabay ka muna sa monster.
Bye-bye.
Sabi mo, thank you for
Thank
watching.
you.
Tuti.
Tuti.
Harap ka dito. Tuti.
Tuti.
Chongi.
Hanggia.
Time vlog.
Bob.
Until. Sabi mo, until.
This
Oh,
one.
no, it's 32. Ayak! Oh my God, Tutsi, look at that. It's dirty. You see that? It's nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you hold the nasty thing, huh? Don't hold the nasty thing, okay? We're gonna do some, we're gonna get the sanitizer. Okay, but for now, okay? Here, okay. Magbabay ka muna. Sabi mo, thank you
Thank you
for watching
watching.
Tuti
Tuti.
and Chongi.
Later.
And Chongi,
Later.
oh yeah, and Chongi.
Later. Later.
Okay, sabi mo, later, we're gonna do our vlog again. Sabi mo, bye.
Bye.
Love you all, guys.
Love you.
Oh, mag-flying kiss ka na. Okay, oh, bye-bye na dito, harap ka.
Bye-bye.
Mwah, sabi mo, mwah,
Bye.
mwah. Oh, sabi mo, love you, mama.
Love you.
Mama,
Mama.
love you.
Love you.
Papa,
Papa.
love you.
Love you.
Uncle,
Uncle.
and aunties,
Auntie.
and lolos, and lolas.
Lala.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Sing.
Oh.
Finger.
Oh yeah, it's dirty ha. Don't put it in your other hand ha. We're gonna get some sanitizer. Oh, magbabay ka na muna.
Usher.
Yeah, sabi mo. Bye guys.
Bye.
Guys.
Guys.
Mwah mwah.
Papa.
Until my vlog
This
tomorrow. See you. Sabi mo see you.
Nicer.
Oo, see you.
Nicer.
Oh, sanitizer. Oh, we'll get the sanitizer. Oh, magbabay ka na muna.
Bye-bye.
Okay.